Ooh, it's sticky. Okay. Snack plate. All right, we're gonna try some things with the sweet potatoes. Today we have the red sweet potato and a regular sweet potato. Okay, so we have cranberry and pecan chicken salad. We're just gonna put on here. It's good chicken salad. I don't normally prefer fruit in my chicken salad, but I knew it was in there when I bought it. It's all right. Okay, let's try it. I can't breathe. My nose. Great combination. Very good combination. Oh my God. I've gotten so many people saying that I need to do the sweet potato bun burger. It has been on my list of shit to do for so long. I'm gonna do it and I can't wait. Okay, next. My fucking nose, dude. I can't breathe. I have boogers. Whatever. I never agreed that I would keep things appetizing, okay? You guys are the ones that watch. Anyway, blazing buffalo chicken dip on the sweet potato. Wow. This is traditional crab dip. Who's cringing because I'm using my fingers? Not me. Also, I'm doing color today at work. Okay. Traditional crab dip. All three of those, phenomenal. Oh my God, I was gonna try it on the regular sweet potato. All three of those piles were for my regular fucking sweet potato, not this one. Son of a bitch. Hold on. Those three piles right there were for this fucking sweet potato. I guess I gotta eat three more piles, right? I'll eat a little bit more. Traditional crab dip. God, I miss just the regular sweet potato. Nothing against the other ones. But dude, the regular sweet potatoes are just so good. All three of these dips are fucking bomb. All right, blazing buffalo chicken dip. I can't breathe. God, they're all good, man. And for the cranberry pecan chicken, put some of that shit up there. So the chicken salad is actually better with the sweet potato. So good. Okay, let's move on. Pickled egg. I look like I have poop on my hands, but I did hair color today, okay? Now I probably really look like your teacher, huh? Why did I leave that? What just happened? Why did I leave that? I need sour cream. Let's finish these right. Bullshit. I wish I could breathe out of my nose, man. I feel like I look like I'm 12, dude. I have to go back to work after this, and I don't want to. I don't want to go. I still have sweets left. It's hitting me like a ton of bricks right now. I think this is it. Actually, I'm gonna eat this. But fuck those sweets. I'm not eating those today. I feel great. Now I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee and go back to work. Have a great Friday. Yum.